Hello, hello, welcome to my stream. This is your captain speaking, JV the Wanderer here. And we're gonna get ready to get into it right now. Hi, how you guys doing? Let's see. Not so much to say, but Arden, I'm pretty much still working on the menu stuff. I think I've already shown you all where I was at. I think I was at. I finished making the notification. Finished adding a main menu, and I think I added a little bit more to it. So let me actually get there real quick. So the main menu is gonna be don't look like this for right now. It's still be a simple scene with the camera. However, we start the game. What's going to happen is a couple things going to happen. It's like it's going to fade in the menu. You're when it fades in, you're not going to interact with the menu that soon. You're not gonna be able to click here. Like, maybe I should do that right now. Like, when fade in, it was like it comes real quick. Like when you fade in, you're unable to interact with these. That is because the fader for that widget is blocking it. And that's on purpose. So with that, I think you're able to open this up, and it should take you to that one map. And I think the map that's gonna be in my in the main project. Like the whole time I've been working right now, I've been working on the plugin. I have not worked in the main project at all. I have added some stuff into the main project, but I haven't really done anything super special with the main project all the time at all. Like all I've been doing right is just do the plugin, adding features for that plugin, adding stuff for the plugin, and getting ready to make sure the plugin is ready to be used. Currently right now it's like plugins there. It's like it's not currently ready to use yet. It's just there at the moment. But as time will progress, the features will get more feature complete and be able to get, and it should be ready to go for the end, hopefully end of the year. No, I say end of the year, but like it's gonna take take forever. Excuse me. End of month. It's gonna get it's all gonna get taken care of with the end of the month. Although I have not been doing any progress on it for a while now. Job hunting, playing games, that sort of thing. I think it's gonna be I think that method is gonna be my method how I do things is gonna change, right? So yeah. Oh, I need to show you how I have it create a new menu. So I have a blueprint library. Right now it's using blueprint utilities. I probably need to get organized later on in the future, but anyways. It uses blueprint utilities that will grab a widget, that will grab a class widget, and have that created into the HUD. Like the HUD is going to exist in any map. Just I think when I opened the when I tried opening a new game and opening a new map, it gave me an error. And that is because this game mode is using a normal HUD when it should be using the tactile HUD. Oh, very convenient. I be able to test this out and say, hey, the HUD doesn't exist. Get that fixed. And I click on it. No error. Of course, there's also there's no menu as well, so that needs to be taken care as well. So something wrong. What I'm doing right now is I'm doing the hub world map. What it is just basically just a hub. This is what the hub looks like right now. It's just empty. There's nothing in there, and that's all. And that's all intended because what's going to happen next? I'm going to add this into the hub. Like there's a lot I have in here. A lot I want in here, but for the time being, there's still some work to do. And I'm also going to change up my name conventions. Like I'm using a name for my art project, but because I'm using a plugin, making a plugin, I just probably need to get in the mindset where making this thing separate from all our projects. It's just going to make things a lot more easier as time progresses. But anyways, let me stop talking and then let me get into it. So, okay, not stop talking. Let me just remember what I'm trying to do. I have buttons. That's a good start. We have a border. We have a switcher. Okay. Our switcher's empty, and we need a few things from it. Unfortunately, I have my project open. My project crashed and wouldn't open again. So I tried resetting it. It still crashed. So unfortunately for that project, it has a it's under plastic plastic STM. So I can go back and revert those files back to where it was originally and just go from there. So anyway, right now I need to go ahead and get that reference from the hub world, and I think, if I remember correctly, which I don't, the hub world is a just gonna be an overlay. It's gonna fill the screen. It's not gonna do anything super special. Pardon it being able to fill that screen. It has a I'll have an image in the background. Speak of image. I don't think I actually have that image downloaded. real quick. Let me actually go ahead and grab it. Pretty much started doing that. Let me go and do this. Let's see up in front. Let's see what I'm doing. We'll go export this. This is gonna be a PNG, and this is actually, I think this. I have my files here. Move my file over here. I don't want you to look at what I have from here. Oh, never mind. Looks like I don't need to do that. Cause I could do it. Cause I could do it this way. Where's it? Is below here is there you are. There you are. Alright, cool. Now for this one, we're just gonna add a. This is just gonna be an image. And this is gonna be not what the image is gonna look like in the future project. I just need something to fill the background. Wait a second. Grid for Oh, I already had this one. Alright. Don't need to worry about that then. Let's actually get the border here. Why am I adding a border? I'm looking at my other project and I'm looking at why I have a border here. I think the border's here because I set brush color to black and lower the opacity to it. That way you have some. That way you have something in the back that is kind of normal. Let's see what else. What else? Not Hall. Excuse me. Hub menu. Hub this one right here. For overlay, and then that should be it. This file save as well. I'll make sure it looks like exactly what it looks like for right now. I'll also be straight up honest. The button here looks very small. If I think I can. Oh. Okay. I think the reason why the buttons are small is because for combat, their text style is exactly what it needs to be. But looking at this, I think I'll need to duplicate this and make this different. I'll call it hub. And what I want these specs to be is a bit more larger. Let's make a duplicate of it. Yeah, I got like my own textile. There we go. Now we are just going to just replace these. Should be easy enough. These buttons don't have any anything to hook up to them yet, because there's nothing happening. All right. Go and change your text. It's probably gonna be a time like if I'm going to do something that's more accessible, like changing the font sizes and all that kind of stuff. I'll probably need to actually come back to the buttons again and get that fixed, get that sorted out. But that's near here or there. Because I'm just really just trying to get I'm just trying to get all this taken care of ASAP. All right, then just go ahead and delete these. Not that. And why do I call it time shot? I guess that's I was thinking of. I guess I was thinking about something about time. Like, okay, I think I have everything done. Although I think I need to space my buttons out. That's easy to do by just pressing the number. Let's go and get everything selected real quick, and then I'm going to hit 5 on the padding, and then I'll break up the buttons padding space. Alright, cool. We have it replaced. Save. Compile. And let's actually take care of. Let's actually go ahead and take care of the some of the menu stuff. For the menu, I need to get the view mission box for. I need to go get the view mission box. I need to go ahead and take care of the item shop. And I need to take care of the inventory box. So let's start with the mission. The way I have it on in my previous project is I have set up text. This would be like a common text, a border, just up in the line up the background. Oh, 1 second. Let me set the brush color to black and fade to 2. Then we add a horizontal box. So that is where we're going to have most of our that's where we're going to have our slots on where the missions go buttons going to appear, and where what the image where the information about the mission end will have. Like, you'll have an image, you'll have the name, description of the mission, that sort of thing. And they're going to be both of them going to be vertical. Actually, they're just, yeah, both are going to be vertical. Name this one the mission list box. Makes the variable because we want to add missions onto it. We want to add mission buttons onto it, and the variables are just going to be nothing. Plus, we're going to have an image. We're going to name that mission image. And real quick, before I keep forgetting, item shop. There we go. And the next one we need to add is a button. I think, or button. Yeah, I just need to make it. Hello. I'll use the combat button. In here, that way we'll have a that way I think the button will have a variable and have the name. I'll call this dummy. Mission button. You'll have like some called mission name. As for the image, I need to actually change the size to something more viewable. This will do. I think I'll be able to. I'm going to continue making the game because I've actually finished playing Baldur's Gate. Well, Baldur's Gate. I finished playing Baldur's Gate. My character was like Gift Yankee. He was a monk, and he was part of Dark Urge. Because I've never played evil character before. like for in a long time. And I was able to complete this, and I was able to complete. Like I'm not here to spoil all the things. He was, but I want my character to look like be like a badass. So I gave him like gave Vicky dreadlocks and like a large beard, and he kind of looks like one of those dudes you see in the old combat movies. No, not combat movies, but like kung fu movies. Excuse me. And like he looks pretty badass. Like the way he stand, way he stand, like with no weapons at all. He's like if ever somebody make a mod where he has like drip, it'll be I think it'll be hilarious and funny. You probably don't, guys don't know what I say drip and everything else, but again, I'm just casually talking, just pass the time and everything else. No, thank you. Next one I think I'm going to need is I need a size box real quick. For this one, I need to be able to scale the text down. Not scale the text, but have like a have the text be able to wrap around, so it doesn't like do anything weird. Alright, so we have a text. This common text will be named. It's just gonna be named. It's just gonna be named just like that. And just give it a name. Whatever call it. The script. Description. Under that's gonna be a border. Because borders make really good breakers. They make really good breakers on what you want to show. Like I'm able to actually break the text part down because that's just cool. And let me go ahead and get text. I think this is gonna be be plain old text. Actually, no. Let's make this a common text. I've been going with common text for a while now. Give it a style. Let's give it a small. No, that's too small. Text. Large. Let me go ahead and try to make something new for this UI. Debug. Nope. For style. Here we go. We'll call it description text. Actually, make sure we have the name that way. Usually I have a name like textile, but I think looking at this and thinking about this, I think I need to No, actually just do this. STYLE. Let me take this out. And let me shorten this down to this. And the reason behind that is because I want to be able to set the way I want to set it. I think nope. Let me set. Although it just needs to be white. Text just needs to be white because you can't see what's happening here. Compile, save. Oh, here we go. Text will be just normal Latinish tongue. And with this, I need to actually set the text size to start right override and then with this, I need to go ahead and have it all wrapped. And that should be it. All I need to do now is actually add a button below it. That should be below. That should be below. Add below here. Okay. So let me go actually grab the combat button. And this we change its name to Start Combat. 1 second. Sometimes I hate this, sometimes I don't. Default. Actually, that's actually cool. I think I do need to change this default to something else nameful. Let's see. No more ums. Start mission. There we go. Give the padding of maybe not that. No, over here. Maybe over here. Padding of 25. There we go. Oh, and it's on. Okay, that's this. It doesn't have anything special. Do need to. This is gonna be fine. Because all the stuff I'm making right now, all the stuff right here, this is all just for. It's just all just to make this a little bit more presentable, more prettier. It's not gonna be the final thing that the player is going to see. Because I just need to have something to run around, be able to click things, and be able to do these things. Then after that, I want to plan out what it should look like what it should look like, and get that going. I'll save. Here we go. We're gonna see this. Well, we're not gonna see it right now because it's hidden. Okay. Item shop. Item shop. There's nothing. There's nothing. I don't have any items ready to go. I don't have anything to show. Although I don't think. I don't think I need to do anything special with it. Well, I think like it's great to it's great to have. If I don't need it, I can pretty much go ahead and delete the item shop inventory off the game because we're not going to need it. If we're not going to need it. All right. Let's see. Next one. This will be. This is what we call item shop. I think when I was working on this game, I want to have like an item shop and have a inventory box. And then realize I'm thinking to myself, I'm doing something ambitious again. And that's like one of my gripes about what I do. Like I try and make something, and I realize it's just something that'll take it's gonna take me a while. I think on the next game jam, I said on Twitter I'm going to do a game jam returning to the Epic Mega Game Jam. It's like for a long time I have not been to any game jams at all, other than just doing work stuff. I want to change that and want to get back into it because I feel like I kind of been missing out and kind of not doing my thing. Hold on a second. Actually, this actually looks like the same thing I have for the mission box. So actually, here's what I want to do. I want to duplicate this. Then I want to rename this to let's do it again. Duplicate this and let's rename this to so now I can actually go back here and change these to something else. I'll need it. I'll need it. Image. I can't duplicate you. Wait, I can't duplicate it. I can duplicate this. But for vertical boxes, I can't duplicate. Is it because the name vertical box? If I name it this way, what, now we duplicate? No. Huh. Maybe if I can I copy and oh, it's probably because of this size box. Okay, now it makes sense. Mission name, vertical box. Alright. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put this in this vertical box. I'm going to delete this. This one, I don't think I need the size box for it. Like, we'll need two size boxes. Alright, there we go. And we are going to make a horizontal, we're going to use a horizontal box inside here. I'll call this the item list box, where it will list out the items. And for this one, it's going to be time shop options box. I think I'll call this one buy. But buy. There we go. And we're going to duplicate this. Call it the last one sell. Let me quickly name these real quick. Quickly name these real quick, like quickly as the quick can be. Ooh. Let me wrap this with a size box. And this, we're just going to scale the. We're just going to override this to about 100. No, not 100. 150. 150. 150. All right. I think we can probably third them right here, and then don't you love when it's weird? And right here. This one we want to go ahead and just name these two. Go rename these things real quick. Items on the left, inventory in the middle, we'll do a fill for all of them. And price on the right. We don't have anything super special with them. They're not going to be doing anything. It's not going to do anything. We're not actually adding anything at all with it. So for right now, I'll just go and give it buttons. Combat button. And let's go ahead and name them. I am name. Move the guy over here. I need to remember next time when I do streams, like if I don't want anything showing off or anything like that, like the bar, hovering over the bar where it shows my start and what it has, search, or accidentally click on things, I can just move it aside and y'all have to look at things. I have not been practicing that. Right, and let's do a duplicate. What's it called? Guilty. And there ain't gonna be a start mission here, so let's go delete this. And each time I delete things, it just feels like I'm actually deleting the whole damn thing. Which scares the heck out of me. No matter we have an item shot. In inventory. Looking at it now, I fully regret naming inventory box because I had to delete this and duplicate this again. Because the inventory box have all the stuff I need. Just need to get rid of some things I don't need right now. Let me name item box 2. Inventory. We don't need a price for it anymore because we're not trying to. We don't need to buy or sell or any of that. Inventory is just like a number, how many do we have, and we would give us the description of each. Of course, I don't think I have anything super special with inventory at the moment. Just like it's just there. Okay. But looking at that, that should be about all the things I need. We'll go and save. Okay. Back to menu. And the last thing we just need is the unit. The unit thing. Let me set back to context. I have these named. I have these listed. I don't have them ready yet. So I think we start with unit info, I think. No, it's a unit list. Let me go close these things down so we're not using them. Game mode, we already made. We don't need you. We don't need you either. Utilities, we might need you because later on we need to actually load in data. Test data for right now. Anyway, we are using let's see, size box. With the overlay. Give a border. And makes the background nice and dark. We're going to use a vertical box. In the overlay. And we're just going to add in our item text. This could be a common text. Because we'll be using common text. And the horizontal box. Why we need a horizontal box? Because for the horizontal box, we are actually going to fill this area up. We are going to actually have the image of the unit to our left and the list of units to select on our right. What I'm going to do right now is create the unit list first. Maybe I have array already right here. Like, okay, not ready, but just ready enough where we can start doing stuff in the graph. We are going to check. Let's see, combat manager. This thing's this game mode in hub is not going to have combat manager. So combat manager is going. What combat manager is for is just basically just what combat manager is for is staying on combat start and that sort of thing. It's going to check if it's valid or not. Which will come out false it's not valid, so it's not gonna do anything super special. Let me get my component. Not quite. I'm gonna skip this if I want to. Call this on combat change and get combat manager. Okay, I keep typing not. I keep being not equal and not boolean. And not boolean. Oh, hey, Smeg. I'm doing well. How you doing? Also, sorry if I've read chat. It's been a long time since anybody just typed in chat. So I've been kind of getting myself too used to just looking at the screen and just doing stuff. Please let me sit here. God damn it. This is the third time. Need somebody keep me company. I don't feel like I'm talking to like an insane person. Oh, you're here. You're still here. Think I don't have to talk like I'm an insane person. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, I'm back. Ended. So I call wait, buying events. Calling is features calling, make calling for anything that's listening to it. But yeah, that's a bit here. It's called clear the children and going to go do two things. Get game instant. Going to cast to act. Yeah. Any new things like when this plugins get created and use something else, I want to go ahead and push it. I want to go ahead and be able to do something with it. We're also going to do a select. Reason why is because we want to have it create stuff. I think I'm gonna say stuff a lot because my head's kind of run empty, or what to actually call it. This is going to be a boolean, and if there's nothing in here, we want to get the unit data list. If we ooh, let me go back. Ooh, I have no idea what I want to put in here. Let me go into the game tac to I, and I want to. I think I want to have a boolean that says use save tac use save data for units. And I think on default it's going to be, I think on default I want to set that to empty. I say empty. I want to set it to false. Let's see. When a new game started, we want to check for the save data to exist. So test data underscore one is like one of the days I have named. I should probably have it named something. Have it set to these instead of like to its default. You know, this is a kind of general save data, that sort of thing. Also, real quick, I'm just interested. Okay. Even though I've been streaming on YouTube a while, I'm kind of new to YouTube because I don't know who's watching, who's not watching. I'm only assuming that people who are talking or that sort of thing are the ones gonna be watching. So that's a little bit there. What else? Save. We want to create a function. Okay. Hey, I'll apologize. I'll go let you learn. Just learning a couple things here. Load, get, save, unit, list. Let's check if it's valid. No, it's alright. It's gonna save. It's gonna have. It's gonna check if it's valid. No. Yeah. Let's check if it's valid. Sorry, I was like kind of finding myself on where do you say check if it's valid or not. If it's not valid, maybe print string say warning. Save data not valid. And give it a 60-second credit card. Then now load. Save game. Here we go. Load attribute of unit. It'll give us the unit name, unit level, job class, the unit info. Unit data type, that should be right. And give us a class, which is going to give us unit class data, which is also right. And it's going to give what's most important, the unit level, the save stat, the unit equipment. And for this, I think we need to do a for loop. And didn't I realize how? Because this is all done in code. Anyway, I should bring that out. So it's going to, if save unit contains unit's name, it's going to return that save unit from a pointer. And it's going to do this one at each name. If it doesn't return anything, it's going to return the F unit save stat. I can't return null, so it has to return. It has to return something. I'm looking. I'm staring at this. I'm like, did I have this thought? Did I have this thought out correctly? What could be the best? What's the best way to do this? Okay. Here's my thinking now. We'll use maybe not utilities. We're gonna make this a blueprint in our blueprint library, just so I can keep myself organized. And I think we're gonna create a unit data set. For this one, I wanted to get all unit name. No, wait. We already have one. This is redundant. Because I have one under unit data, where in the local variables it has all our unit data right here. What I can do what I could possibly do here is get their name. What's it called again? It's called get unit data list. Let's go do it for each. And we're going to get unit name, and we're trying to see if this equals that name. Okay. Question: how do you know we have those names? Okay, question. How do I know we have these names in the saved data? Try this. Array F unit we could also do a void. I think we could do a void real quick. Void UTAC save unit load all units. Correction. Load all player units. And we just need. I just need to return units, I think. Let's make a declaration real quick and make sure we have this as a blueprint callable. Needs to be a con. It needs to be ampersand. Basic save unit is a T map. I think I only need a T array. And an ampersand, I think. Out save units. The way I did this, I think it will. It'll give us a const. It'll give us a T array. I'm not sure if it'll give. I'm not sure if it'll return that return it right away. So what I'm going to do is my usual. Usually I will save and well, I will save and I'll probably do is that recompile and reload. C++ okay for game system on the fly. I probably would need to, instead of doing that, I'll probably have to do it something else. But let me cook and let me figure this out. I do these streams not to just teach people, not actually. The whole goal right here is not to actually teach people; it's just to entertain folks. But I'm kind of doing bad, there. So I'm just basically just figuring all this out as I go. I'm letting it compile. It's gonna take a sweet ass time for it to compile. So I think I'm good. I'm good on saving. Next time I open this up, I need to make sure to build first and then do the thing. There we go. All right, so compiled. This is on a hot load. So let me see. Load. Doesn't didn't load it in. Oh, yep. We're about to close it. Usually for things like this, I will build this and load that way instead of like doing it instead of like opening your project normally like you usually do if you're doing it blueprint only. And building takes some SPS time, so I really want to get some talk about something. Oh, but wait, now I'm thinking about it. Hey, person, y'all play Baldur's Gate 3? Because I'm able to. I was able to complete mine. I feel like it finished all the way to Act 3 in the game. Like while I was playing Baldur's Gate, I have like created a lot of characters in the game. One's like both supposed to be a good person, the other one's supposed to be a bad person, and the other one I was kind of fooling. I was kind of fooling around. No, you haven't played yet? Oh my god, you haven't. You are. I got this game since it was like a early access. Like it and been following its their development for a while. I haven't played when there's a new update with it. So I decided like, okay, if I'm going to fully appreciate the game, I need to actually make sure to get get out when it's ready. Because I'm already sold on the game. It's like it's really great. People talking about on Twitter or X. It's pretty much really liking it. I mean, I'm pretty happy how they were able to handle it. So yeah. But either way, I played with a lot of characters. I get builds done anyways, and I had a lot of fun. Let me see. Load all units, and yeah, that's not exactly what I was thinking about. That's totally not what I was thinking about. Real quick, I need to look back. I did this before. I just don't remember how I did it. I know it's cons. I know it needs spouse. It needs to be. It needs to be something for it to use. But can't be. But it's definitely not that one. We go and post things down real quick. F vector, loop and cobble, and calculate the center and calculate the bottom left. Let me go to the grid. This is the cobble. Let me go into my grid real quick. And let me just grab calculate. This is what it's supposed to look like. Okay. So in that case, we don't need con. We don't need a con. We just need this. And that should be fine. Of course, there's more back in building, so I could probably go back and talk about Baldur's Gate again. I was able to complete the game as a Githyanki monk. Cause I had an idea like this, that this character it seems like it'd be a badass kung fu master that only knows how to punch and nothing else, no sticks or anything like that. But being able to like, and I also happy the way it was, how it looked like. I had an idea where I want this guy to be a fellow character. However, the solo character is like meh. I say meh, but it's not. I really need to say it's difficult, like really difficult. Like you try to be a one-man army, you try to beat a fluid of people, a group of people by yourself. I'm going to go end up getting rolled. Like there's no way I could be able to take all of them out on my own. Although I think I need to go ahead and figure it out later on in the future and see how I'm able to accomplish that. Because I'm looking at YouTube, and I remember people saying, "Hey, how to do this as a solo word," that sort of thing. I also saw a speedrun that like you solo beat in the game within like 6 minutes. As Gale the wizard, and all Gale does is just bounce around and just go to the second act and spoiler. No, I'm gonna make sure it's not spoiler heavy, so I don't want you to figure it. I want you to see what happens, but he's able to end the run within like 6 minutes. With just Gale alone, and that's it. Anyways, back here. Unit. Oh, I forgot what I'm doing. Game. ID. Okay, here we go. Load all players. Here it is. We want this way. We want this. That's what I want. Okay, so now we have a save unit, and the save unit is a key map. So the way I need to do is I need to array to generate the value array, and this needs to be an out array. So we just need to create. So all I need to do, and I think I'm be able to get away with this. Hopefully. Is do this, and we should be good, maybe, hopefully. Let's see, just like, yep, it's liking it, it's not hating it, so cool. Stop debugging. build one more time. I mean, man, if I want to talk more about the game, but I don't want to spoil. But I forgot to say something else. You working? Nope. This is Unreal, baby. This is actually all done in code. So I'm not doing this in doing most of it in Blueprint. Like the most time I do in Blueprint maybe will be in this year when I want to try to get something tested out really quick, or UMG. So what I was doing earlier is that I was trying to check if I'm able to on returning a value. Actually returning an array of things that's already been loaded. And I was checking if do I need to use a const in the function to have it return something or not. I don't. So it was telling me I don't need a const. I just need a reference. That's the ampersand thing. But I was able. So yeah, I was able to say okay, use a reference, and now I'm able to have this load all player units. And looking at this, I don't think I need you anymore, or just. I just need to be able to load all player units just like this. And I want to, for right now, load out the save units. Let me call this something else, like out save units. I want to call this player unit. I'll get a reference, and let me see break. This should give me all this. This should give me all I need right now. So I think I could return. I think I'm going to return this. Should be good here. If not, there'll be a crash and a stat space of my stat space. Oh, wait. Just using this, I want to go in maps mode. I want to. That is game this. So now I'll be using this instead of its own. Okay. What I'm doing right now, because I have a thought and I want to be able to get the starting unit at the start of unit name. And these should be named correctly, hopefully. Do a for each. And then we're going to I forgot my name. Unit data. And just go return a unit data object reference. Do I need unit data unit data reference or something else? I think I might need that. No. I need to load in this. So let's do a make. Okay, that's not what I was thinking about. And that's totally not what I was thinking about when I said make. Okay, that just tells me that my utility might be not correct. I mean, it's a blueprint, it's a use struct, it's a blueprint type. I mean, the whole thing's public. Okay. Okay. Real quick, I need to remember something. Unreal Engine C++. Uh, that's not what I'm thinking about. Truck make not showing up. I'm reading. Basically, I'm reading this. I'm trying to understand what's going on. That's not what I'm thinking about. I don't think making a function. That was the idea. Or maybe. Wait. Maybe. I just thought about this. Doesn't have anything here. We will probably want to have good name. Then level equal 1. Null pointer. Null pointer. Save stat to be I figured you just want these to have to be empty, and that's kind of it for that. But I need to make something else, like maybe something like this. Good name be underscore unit name, maybe. No, let's try something else different. Instead of that, it could be name give it name. Int 32 to save that. All right, then we're going to use these and going to like this. Right, that might work. Let me just compile. Then close it down. Let me go ahead and make a build. Another build. Let me actually go back to what I did. What I did here is I make another constructor that's going to have all of this. And my thought process is that the make is not working because the constructor doesn't have the necessary info to have that make happen. So I'm pretty much doing it this way. So all the information should be able to flow properly. Actually, give time. Still slowly just moving this around to make it. Put you in here. There we go. Because this is a struct, and I know this already has a blueprint type and everything else. It can break. But on this, it's probably couldn't make because it doesn't have the right constructor. So let's go ahead and try it out now. No. Still doesn't have it. Great. Back to drawing board. Alright, real quick. Not in there. First, you know what I'm calling it? It's like value? No. No, not vector. It's integer. No. Variable. That's the break here. Where info has. Actually, what? I have an error. Hey, yeah. Here we go. I have a I have another one called make scalable float, and that thing allows me to scale the flow. It's actually kind of that thing is actually borrowed from Gas, the gameplay ability system plugin. I grabbed that and put in this plugin because I figured it'd be beneficial. So knowing that and understanding that, I should take a look at that one. Action, where is my... I could probably find it here. Okay, not in here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Attribute set. Here it is. And it should have the information that I need here. Attribute data. Attribute. Oh, right. Okay. Uh-huh. Here we go. Scalable float. Goes in here. Float definition. Here we go. Okay. 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 Now I know what I need to make. Now I know what I need to do. I was being an idiot here. Okay, so if I remember correctly, and not if I remember correctly, but like if I were, we don't need game mode right now. Yeah. I'm not sure it's like actually did not in the car. There we go. Attribute set. I need to have this way. So if we this way, unit name. Unit level. Unit job class. Unit info. Save that. Any equipment? Yeah. That should be it. Save. Okay. I think that should be it now. Okay. So what I did now is like, again, I made a constructor and I made a couple of names inside this constructor because the whole thing right now is trying to get a make to happen. what I mean by make it happen, I mean like creating creating new how to describe this? Creating data that will allow the blueprint to be able to create a make for me. Not to be able to make create a make that that makes sense for the blueprint. That makes sense for the engine actually. So now that should so now that should be come on now. Nope. Make save. Make save. Okay. No, that did not happen. Hmm. What if I overcome? What if I overcome? Wait. Cancel. Now try. Mm-hmm. Oh, right. I figured we able to do that because what I did, I actually just I delete this, but I have a I have something already named this. So I couldn't actually do that. I have something named F unit safe stat and uses that. So I can't really do that exactly. If y'all understand what I'm saying. If you don't, don't worry, just enjoy. Don't worry about it. Sorry. That's like me just trying to think this out loud. Because that's how I roll here. Go close you out. I mean, delete these. Save. That should be all. Okay, so now the one thing I don't like doing is like making a build, because usually these kind of builds take a while in Unreal. But I guess that's kind of fine for right now, because it's not like oh, I wish I was like. There's something exactly about this. Okay, so make how my gain is wrong. F name. Okay. How are we getting this wrong? Float. Here's the value. It has the ID. These things are public and private. Wait, edit anywhere? Maybe it's missing the edit anywhere. Blueprint read only, edit anywhere, save game. Maybe it's not read right. That probably makes a lot of sense. It was read only. It was actually read only. Well, that's probably what's happening. Like, here's what I have. I had him on like blueprint read only, because I thought if I pull a line out, I'll be able to have them at read only for that node. What I didn't realize that having it read write, I'm able to do a make that's write only, and a break that's read only. That probably makes a lot more. Looking at that and thinking about that probably will make a lot more sense than what I'm trying to do. I wasted a lot of time on figuring that part out. All right, one speed, and we can now just add this up. Cool. All right, now there we go. That's what I want. Okay. Okay, so we are creating new unit. So we are going to add And what we need is the unit data, starting data, the name, it's save data. I think that's going to be, oh geez. I think that's gonna be something I need to have created in here. And I figure I need to make a function out of it. Here I am making was planning to make UI, and here I am back in code doing this. You know, I'll put a plug on it. That's it's something. It is something I want to try to do later on, but right now I really don't want to. Like, I really don't want to do it right now. All I want to do is I'll figure out the save stuff later on, but as of right now, we'll just use the unit's data from there. Okay. Now that's out of the way. Let me go back in my UI, look in the tile, look at the context, open this up, and we know this is going to open. That I know for sure. But what I don't want happening at the moment, that's something I don't want happening at the moment. Because here's why I want to happen. I want to close game instance. Has to ActGI, make this a pure, because things to note when using Unreal, there's going to be only one game instance for each project, and that's going to be the game instance. So this, so making a cast to your game instance. To make it a pure cast it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine, unless you suddenly forgot you thought you're using a one game instance. Now you're using a different game instance, and you forgot to change it. So that out of the way. We want to quickly do a debug. It's our unit, and then we want to create save data. And this will give us information like test unit 1, user save, that sort of thing. And I think this one is actually covered for utility. We'll call this go and cut this and so I'm paste this. This is a this is what will be named. That's what's be done. We're going to actually this should be okay, I think. Let's do 1 and 0, that should be fine. Okay. Once we have everything, we need to go ahead and just go to the tile map, play, click start, and we should have our save data ready to go. Matter of fact, the way we save, matter of fact, the way we check the save data is there. For those who don't know, if I go back to here, down here, in save, we're looking for a save game, save unit. I'm gonna open it with Notepad. And I'll have a lot of garbled junk. But that's fine because here's all the stuff we're looking for. We're looking for what the unit is. We're looking for the name of the thing. We're just trying to make sure all our data is there. Here is the test unit. And okay, that should be good. I think that's fine, but I want to make a couple of tests. Like, I want to, we have this, we have all this information, we have a save, we don't have, I don't think we have the right unit though. Okay, here we go. break the unit stat. We want to get the unit stat here. We want to get the unit class. We want to put the unit stuff here. Now. I'm just going to return it. For each, we're going to break. And we're going to just have it print out. Format. Here we go. That should be fine. And then we'll go with print. Get name. Level. Is that all I need? Child name. Okay. Real quick, I need to go back to my save file. Go save. Go open this. And we're gonna click on load game. This is gonna be a test. Only got one. Okay. Okay, maybe we did it once. Well, I'm not sure what's happening, and I've been streaming for a while, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. On Wednesday, I'm probably gonna be back at it, and I'm probably gonna get all this thing taken care of. Once I'm done with it, I'm going to if I'm done with it, I'll stream it, and I'll explain exactly how I got that fixing, how I got fixed, how I got done, that sort of thing. But yeah, for right now, I need to get going. So thank you for coming by, thank you for watching, and thank you for lurking as well. If you like the stream, please make sure to follow me here on Twitch, Twitter. Please hit the subscribe button here on YouTube. Also, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter. I usually talk stuff here and talk stuff there as well. So yeah, thank you for coming, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.